Why can't I write Korean on keyboard? Why can't I create those beautiful blocks even after installing Korean keyboard? Am I not worth it? Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, many people have been facing this problem in the journey of their learning Korean. Today, I will show you how you can actually write and create those beautiful Korean blocks. So, watch the video till the end. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Alright, before we start, press C, this Windows button, click on here. This is the settings, click here. Here you can see time and language. Click. This is time and language, and here is the language. Okay, here you can see that preferred language. You can actually add a preferred language. As for me, I have already set up the language Korean, Hangugo, as you can see. But I can show you that once you click here, you can choose your language from here. Like you could type Korean. You can see that it's visible right now as I have already installed it. So from here you can select this and next. You just have to put the next, and it will ask for installation, and we'll say all the yeses wherever it needs, and it will take some time.